What's going on, y'all? This is Kuron J, and in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing. If you guys hear any background noise in this video, it's most likely the kids playing around, but don't mind that. It's going to be this bad boy right here. I wanted to do something different with my hair, and I also wanted to give it a trim, so I knew that this was going to be a good thing to use to stretch my hair out so I could get a good trim out of it. And they're making a lot of noise up there, so my bad. So this is how it looks right out the packaging. I kind of already know how it works. I'm not about to read the instructions or nothing, so this is how it looks. I'm excited because I already saw reviews of how it works, and I'm pretty excited to use it. I'm gonna go take a shower, wash my hair, condition it and everything, do all that jazz, and I'm gonna come back with an on-camera try-on to show you guys how the product works on me. I'm excited to see how this works. So I will see y'all when I see y'all. All right, y'all, I'm back and my hair is washed and conditioned. It's really damp because I left it under this cap for a long time. So I'm just gonna give it a quick brush. This is my favorite brush right now. I use it all the time for my hair. And I use it on my beard too, sometimes. I'm just giving it a quick brush out before I put the blow dryer on it. All right. So as you can see, the settings are cool, low, and high. I think I'm gonna start off with it on low. So far it's doing so good. I'm going back and forth from the low setting to the cool setting because for some reason the low setting has a lower air pressure, but the cool setting has a higher air pressure. So yeah, I don't know really why that is, but maybe it's because they don't want it to be too harsh for the low setting. But the high setting probably goes a little higher. Yeah, so the high setting goes higher. That's probably what it is. But I'm gonna try to run through this one more time with the low setting. Nah, this is valid. This is valid. We valid. Okay. All right, I'm gonna go and finish it off, and then I'm probably gonna show you guys it towards the end, but I'm gonna just finish it all off. This is how it's looking right now, but I'll definitely see y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all, look, I wanted to show y'all it halfway through. This is how it looks. So this side is good, and this side is not done yet. These are all wet, and then this is dry. So look at the difference between the shrinkage. So my hair goes all the way down here. This one probably goes down a little bit more. It's just this one's a little shrunken up because it's been in the cap for a really, really long time. But yeah, that's that. I'm about to put this cap back on. I'm gonna leave it on for the remaining ones that aren't dry yet because I don't want the other hair to get in the way, and also I don't want it to well, I don't think it's gonna dry out because these hairs are really drenched in water. This thing is really easy to use though, I'm not gonna lie, because I don't really like blow drying my hair, especially because it's hard to do it because you have to keep one hand with the brush and then one hand with the one hand with the comb and one hand with the blow dryer if you do it that way. But this is my first time using this, and I knew it was gonna be easy because it literally is one of both items. So you can't really beat that, you know? All right, and I'm all done. My hair looks a little wild right now, but that's only because I had the clip on it to bring it over to this side. So now all the other ones want to go to this side. But yeah, I'm gonna take these twists out and then I'm gonna see how it looks. It looks pretty similar to when I stretch my hair without heat. It looks just as similar though. This is just a little bit more straight, or a lot more straight actually. I usually like to use no heat on my hair, but I don't know, I just wanted to try out something different because I never really use heat like that. And I don't know, I just wanted to really try out something different. So this is that. Okay, wow. Yeah, this is hang time. I got the hang time. Yo, wow. Hold on, let me take out all the other ones first before I start. Wow. Whoa. Wow. Wait, whoa. Wait, what? What? Yo, wow, wow, wow. I'm really surprised right now. This is crazy. I've never seen my hair like this before. Yo, that's so crazy. This side is a little bit puffier because I finished this side first and I had this side like more flat to this side. And I think this side is a little bit more damp for some reason. Well, they're both pretty damp, but I think this side is a little bit more puffy because it didn't stay in the twist as long as this side, because I did this side first. But this is crazy. And all the twists are out. Hold on, I'm gonna move this chair right here. I gotta show y'all this. I gotta show you guys like a 360 because this is crazy. I hope y'all can see. I have to like crouch down because the tripod doesn't reach so tall. I had another tripod, but it's actually put away in storage. So I'm just using Toni's right now, but that's all good. That's fine because I'm still giving y'all this footage. So hopefully y'all can see. I did not expect it to look like this. I really didn't. Oh, I'm so happy right now. That's the crazy part. Wow, it looks great. I'm so hyped. My bad, y'all. Wow. Let me show y'all. Yo, this joke is crazy, yo. Wow. Wow, yo.
What are you doing?
You see my hair?
Yes, Tony asked for the
How does it look?
Good. Tony asked for the new laptop charger. Where is it?
I don't know. I think is that it? Oh no, it's right here. Toni, look at my hair. You see it? I know, right? All right, y'all. So that calls for the end of this video. As you can see, my hair is a little bit more puffy now on both sides, actually. It's a little bit more puffy on this side. But thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like or you can comment. Feel free to subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.